Hi guys, yeah, it's Motozi, and we're gonna be doing the unboxing of the NZXT. That's the next case, the H210. So it comes in a box of this nature, which you can see. This is the black, the matte black, and red. So I'm gonna open it from the down so it can be easier for us to like get it out of the box. This is just the unboxing. I will not talk too much so you can see what comes in the box. Okay. It's a nice case. Okay, here we have it. It's a very nice portable case. It's matte black with the red for the ventilation on the side. The front is just as simple as you can see it, with the NTS, the next logo down here. On the other side, we have the ventilation, the tempered glass, and the back we have a fan, then everything for your mini-ITX and where the power connection goes. And we have a plate here, which you can see there. So this is just going to be the unboxing, and this is the top. We got a USB, power USB, this is USB-C, and earphone jack there. And under it also we have that for the fan. Yeah, I cannot bring it out, but anyway, I guess it's not locked or something like that. So yeah, okay. So for you to be able to, you need to remove the thumb screw there, and you push it out. This is my unit. I don't know if this is a little bit faulty or not, but it's a little bit difficult to put it out. If you look at the glass here, it's a real glass, then frame with metal. You got a ball joint which to hold the glass in place because of the new system they put into it. The one they had before is the thumb screw 4, but now you have this holding there and this holding the down part of it. The back plate is also, you remove the thumb screws, and there, and there you have the cable management. These are all the cables. The fan, I believe it has 2 fans. We got one fan here, as you can see. We have one fan here, and there's another fan here on top. It's just a normal 120 fan, not RGB. You can switch it to RGB if you want, and it's the 3-pin connector. And this is the screws and everything else. And this USB-C, I think this is for the USB-C. Okay, this is for the USB-C. This is for the audio, and this is for the panel for starting your computer. I like the whole idea of what they did here. They just make everything as one, a whole one. So for you to connect this to your power, that is your computer, for the start and restart button, it's just one panel. It makes it much easier for people who doesn't know how to connect it to the motherboard, or they find it very difficult to connect to the motherboard. And when it's one by one, it's very difficult to start putting them. But with this, you can insert it just one time. So this is a very good connection. So I give them a great job there. Thumb up for that. I like it. Now it's less cables coming out and going into the motherboard. We have lesser cable, which is a really very great job on the part of NZXT on this connector. So inside is what they have for the radiator here, which is very nice. This is just unboxing and overview. So this is what we have in it, and we're gonna still go to the disassembling of this computer later, but now this is the unboxing. This is what you get, and later I'll do another video that is all just going to be about disassembling of this case, which we will remove everything that goes in this case and see how they are being connected together. So anyway guys, that is it for the NTX. That is the NZXT NZXT H210, sorry, H210 casing, and it's part of the H series. So I hope to see you next in the unboxing of this casing. Bye.